Let me show you how I made this simple chicken stew and you will love the process. Hi there, I am Hirat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video. On a medium heat into a saucepan, I will go in with my oil and here I am going to add some onions and allow the oil to heat up. Once it is heated, I will then go in with my marinated chicken and I marinated this chicken breast for 2 hours. Fry until it is golden, just like this, or to your preferred consistency, and then remove everything from the oil and set it aside. So, using the same oil, I am going to add some onions and I am going to fry till I get this consistency. I will then add my pepper mix, which I blended carrots, tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and some peppers. I boiled everything before blending so it can save me some time. So I am going to fry this till I see a lot of oil popping on top of my stew, and then my stew is almost ready. So next I am going to add some all-purpose seasoning, which I already have the recipe right on this channel, and you can check it out and give it a try. Add salt to taste and then give it a good mix for everything to be well combined. And you can use your favorite seasoning as well. Next, I am going to add my already fried breast chicken to the stew and I am going to give it a good stir once again. Allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and your chicken stew is ready, guys. You can pair this stew with kenke, banko, rice, pasta, or anything you wish to pair it with. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.